Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY, I still believe this is probably the end of an ABC correction. I think this move down is potentially a wave 1. I still think this move up potentially is a wave 2, and eventually it's going to go down and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, eventually ending up looking something like this. Now we are on the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Let's head down to the weekly, switch back to the FXCM dollar index. On the weekly, I am definitely looking at this move down as a trend, the wave 1. I think this is a three-way pattern up, 1, 2, 3 up for potentially a wave 2. We are at the 61%, but price doesn't necessarily have to turn here. But if it does turn here, then it would probably be the beginning of that big wave 3 and eventually make a 4 and a 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to that daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you really have to notice that we are definitely continuing to make higher lows this whole way up. Not one time have we broken any structure. We do have a little bit of a lower high forming right here, so I still think there is a very good chance that this is going to go down. But we'll have to see if this move down ends up being a wave C or a wave 3, because it potentially could be an A, a B, and a C, and then later on, maybe in a week or two, end up continuing back up. So let's head down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it does look like this move down over here is like a more like a trend, like a wave A. I still think this looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, like it's a corrective pattern, like a wave B. This to me still looks like it could be a wave 1, a wave 2, and I still think there's a very good likelihood this could go down and make a wave 3 of 3, or possibly a wave 3 of C. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement measuring this move right here. It definitely looks to me more like a trend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's a potential that this move up right here could be a correction. I think there's a good chance that it could go down. It could break structure, probably ending a wave 2, and potentially starting to go down for a wave 3. Like I was explaining on the longer time frames, it could be a wave 3 of 3, or it could be a wave 3 of C. Either way, it's going to be a very profitable sorting opportunity if it does end up playing out like this. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks, and happy trading.